The Generality of Islam and its happy consequences. 5. Islam is the last and most mature of the true religions. This holy religion is not exclusive to one nation and one time. It is the natural religion of God, necessary for all mankind until the day of resurrection. It is completely suitable for the creation and life of human beings. This sublime religion is a path to salvation and salvation, a source of happiness. It is the religion that Allah Ta'ala approves of. Before the emergence of Islam, the whole earth was in the darkness of ignorance in terms of religion. The true religions had been extinguished. The sun of divine knowledge and wisdom had set, and darkness covered the horizons. People were working, struggling, and fighting only for their own ambitions. The people of the Arabian Peninsula, on the other hand, were in utter ignorance. People worshipped idols made by their own hands. They were not ashamed of this behavior. Girls were buried alive in the ground. They did not feel any sorrow in this. As a result, there was nitrogen monoxide trace left of good faith, good morals, good deeds, and lofty feelings. But when the sun of Islam began to rise, many parts of the earth immediately became enlightened. The human world became aware of truth, justice, equality, and brotherhood. Heads that had worshipped idols and bowed down at the feet of men began to prostrate themselves to God alone. Souls were lifted up. Tongues were adorned with the remembrance of God Almighty. Eyes were filled with the light of awakening that comes from beholding the beautiful works of our great Creator. As a result, thanks to the religion of Islam, there has been a true civilization, a prudent humanity, a useful progress, and a very happy revolution. As long as the human world clings to this holy religion, IT will undoubtedly always rise.